I'll get you over
they're
here.
better.
And
You
you
used
can
to have
jump.
some far ones.
These are close, so they can jump if they get over here.
Okay. Then get us down. Way to the down.
Dad, can you swing them on over here so I can get them?
Wait, who?
The kids.
Okay.
These
You want them to jump?
rows are close together so they can
I want to jump.
Here, give me a hand. Wait. Jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, I'm not gonna jump. I thought you were gonna.
She didn't get brave all of a sudden, man.
But you.
I want to jump. Oh, wait. I didn't know if you were going to jump. Wait.
I'm not gonna jump.
Stand up. I want you to jump. I can help you. Ready? Wait, you got to stand up. Stand up. You got to stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump.
I can't. Without your help.
All right. Grab, come down.
Yeah.